So the first thing we're going to make today is something that looks like this. Now we're in Adobe Illustrator, and the first thing we want to do is File, New Document, or Command N. I'm going to say my intent is to print, get the letter size template, converting my units to inches. I'm going to have a horizontal or landscape orientation. One artboard for now, don't have to worry about bleeds. I'm going to say create. So we have a new artboard, and today we're going to talk about the pen tool. This is our toolbar. The top two tools are the selection tool for selecting objects, direct selection tool for selecting points within objects, and then we have our first drawing tool, the pen tool. If we click on it and hold, there's actually two tools nested inside this box. If you want to see both of them at the same time, drag your mouse out to the tear-off bar. Tear-off bar shows all the tools that are nested underneath. You see some tools have a lot of tools nested under them. For example, this shape tool has several shapes nested inside of it. If I go to the tear-off bar, they'll stay out for as long as I need them. When I don't need this tear-off bar anymore, I can just close it. For now, we have the pen tool and anchor point tool, also is the convert vertex tool. When I'm working with the pen tool, we're basically working with the outside of the shape. These shape tools create different shapes. In Illustrator, every shape has a stroke and a fill. Here are the swatches to control the stroke and the fill. I can assign a color to the fill, which is this square, and I can assign a color to the stroke, which is this. It reminds me of a picture frame. So I can use the color picker, the hue and the saturation. I say okay. I can increase my stroke up here. This shape is a closed shape. It has a stroke, which is the outside, and the fill, which is the inside. I'm going to make my stroke back to 1 point and to black. When I'm using the pen tool, I don't need a fill. If the shape is trying to fill itself with color as you're drawing, it can be distracting. Say fill none, and you see how it's reflected in this swatch here. Stroke black.